According to the recent surveys conducted in India, almost 29.8% of the population have hypertension, high blood pressure. What are the common symptoms or complications associated with it? Heart attack, renal failure, retinopathy, headache, and neurological issues are amongst the various common complaints. Today, let's look at simple home remedies to lower our hypertension and get it under control. 5 simple juices right from your kitchen. Here they are. Hypertension is something that cannot be taken lightly because of its serious secondary complications. If you or anybody in your family or friend circle require diet counseling, require to feel as good as our clients review above, do reach out to us. The number to connect with us is 886 11 85 111. Thank you.